Why like that? Like thinking there's time police looking at you're training somebody to adapt
What up everybody, it's your guy here, rolling Circus. We're standing at the side of the road. There's probably people looking at me in their cars right now. We're doing a little video of Eastbourne. As you can see, we're right at Pevensey. Hopefully this don't fall out. Yeah, we're on the old chopper today. Yeah. Hopefully the audio is good, hopefully the camera quality is good. I'm not going to do much talking really. I'm just going to be, you know, usual stuff. Like I said, wear your gear, wear your gloves, wear your helmet, be safe on these vigilant roads. We're going to ride to Eastbourne. When we get there, we're going to find somewhere to hide, and then I'm just going to get some videos of the planes. Not too much talking, and then once we finish that, we'll have an outro. Bye. And that's it. So like I said, channel's here to spread joy, positivity, show you that you should look at the light side of life. This is really doing me some good right now, because I always get really shy recording in front of people and that. I'm not kind of in front of people, but I kind of am. They're in the cars. They've got a bit of glass in between us. Give me a kiss. So like I said, be safe and careful on these shitty old roads. I hear a bike. Yeah, rev it up. Yeah. So like I said, we're on the old chopper, convertible. So you got to be safe and vigilant on these shitty old roads. They're sketchy, they're dodgy, they're dangerous. And make sure you drink lots of water over the next couple of days. It's going to be boiling hot. So this is your lovely little Friday video, although it's Thursday. Like I said, Eastbourne air shows over the next couple of days up until Sunday, Thursday to Sunday. Each day has different planes and stuff like that, so it's a bit of a bugger really. But it is what it is. We get what we can get today. Like I said, the red arrows ain't out at all, no matter what. They're stuck somewhere. So that's a shame. A lot of people come to see the red arrows, but yeah. So like I said, hopefully camera audio is good. Camera quality is good. So like I said, just be safe on these shitty old dodgy roads. So make sure you're in the right position in the roads. Make sure you've got 100% concentration and you're looking everywhere. You got eyes hanging out your asshole because it's sketchy as shit. So as you can see, we're like still bopping on the chopper. Could have come on a CRF, but the CRF's a bit dodgy to leave alone. It's got no ignition whatsoever. Yeah, so we're on the beautiful country road, West Virginia. Yeah. Love these old open roads. The Marsh Road's quite a nice road as well to go along. Like I say, all beautiful scenic views. Yeah. But you just got to be careful and vigilant. So as I say all the time, you beautiful people, we want the aliens to invade and take me first, so I'm the worst one to go from all these other people that really are aliens, and the ones in the sky aren't aliens. Yeah, so like I said, my challenge this year to spread joy, positivity, and show people to look at the light side of life. Because like I said, too many people now are far arsey, in a rush, got a chip on their shoulder, are absolute arseholes to everyone else, or bullies. And I hate bullies. Bullies, I fucking hate them, right? It does my head in, mate. I'll bully a bully, that's about as much as I get for bullying. But they just annoy me, man, innit? Why make someone else feel down and shit and excluded and shit like that, man? We're all human, we all have feelings and shit. Like I said, granted, if they're really like bad, like they're an arsehole or something like that, you're gonna get shit, you know what I mean? And if you're arrogant and blah blah, stuck up and all that, you're gonna get shit. People are gonna take the piss. But that's because you're being that, you're part and parcel, you know what I mean? But if you're doing it to someone who's kind-hearted and doesn't really generally do anything to anyone, a bit tight here, it's all green light. I don't know why he's not going. It's just sitting there. I guess it won't clear to go, so you shouldn't really go into a roundabout or a junction unless it's clear on the other side to get out of it, because you don't really want to slog it up leave it all clogged up, not majestic. I can't fucking say it. I'm just not gonna say it. So yeah, like I said, just a little cruise onto Eastbourne Beach. Buggers, lots of bikes, and that's it. And then some footage of planes. Like I said, I'm not going to do much talking in the shooting of planes and stuff. I'm just going to record them, and hopefully we get better audio this year, because last year I did come here as well. I love planes. I've never been real close to planes. This is as good as I get, really. Yeah, I just love it. It's all interesting. The sound of it's amazing. The whole sound of it's what does it for me, especially the old planes. The vibe, man. So hopefully there's a Spitfire today, which would be good, because that's a all-time favorite. And I don't think we're going to get many jets, but I don't know if there's a helicopter or something like that today. I should have really checked the list, but you can check all the list online and stuff like that. I swear someone just shouted out the window, bah! Yeah, you can see all the stuff online. Like I said, well worth going over. Like I say, it's just a bit of a bummer that the red arrows ain't there, but it is what it is. You can't expect everyone to be there or doing things on time and be precise. They're pains. Things go wrong, people get stuck, stuff like that. Bikers. Hello, bikers. I don't know what the speed limit is along here, but we're currently going 30. Car behind me is probably pissed around for. Made her, it was 40 year. Excuse me. So yeah, like I said, just loving life, being free, trying to find myself again, trying to be myself, happy, adventures, living each day as it comes. But you know, like, things get in the way and stuff and drag you down, and I've definitely had a bad past, I'd say 5 years. They've been absolutely terrible for me. And it dragged me down massively. I was level freaking 9,000, now I'm fucking level 28. And now I've got to build it all back up. But I will get back up, because I have a fire! Let's stop! Yeah, that's just me, man. I'll never ever give up until I die. You have to kill me. Yeah, man. You can't give up, can ya? That's the thing. You just got to keep on fighting. And like I said, there's always going to be a better day. And life's never shit, really. Like I said, people think their lives are shit, and they're like, oh, my life's terrible. Mate, you're sitting in a fucking house, yeah, with electricity, TVs, internet, food, tap water, you know, be grateful. Like I say all the time, 100 years ago, mate, we didn't have jack shit. We didn't have nothing. People were fucking running around with sticks and pushing wheels with them. As fun. I'm sure that was the game. But yeah, man, like I said, people just take shit for granted now. And it used to be a lot harder. Hello, Mini, little Mini. Your Mini is a piece of Mini. Only women should have minis. I shouldn't say that. What the hell? Yeah, women should only have minis, and guys should only have Mustangs or bikes or choppers. Now I get a lot of abuse from having the chopper. People are like, ooh, brother! Yeah, brother! They think, oh, yeah, chopper, what's wrong with you? Probably because of my age and shit as well. Like, it's like, what the hell? But when they actually sit on it and ride it, they understand why. It's because it looks beautiful. Well, they might not like the look of it. I'm in the wrong gear, but she still pulls off because she's got loads of torque. Yeah, yeah, might not like the look of it or anything, but the sound, how can you not like the sound? And then when you sit on it and ride it, mate, it's actually really comfortable. It's amazing. It's majestic. It's like sitting on a fucking couch, brother. And yeah, granted the handlebars are a bit big, but you get used to it. It's actually really nice. And yeah, lovely. So we need to get to the seafront currently. Don't know which way. I don't really come around Eastbourne way a lot. Here we are, video Eastbourne, hashtag Eastbourne. Why do I keep on making the noises? Because you like them. People hate my weird noises, but I fucking love them. Little people carrier, man. Little Toyota thing. Oh, what's wrong with me? So like I said, just had to have fun. Definitely got problems, got ADHD and all that other shit, but Yeah, man, like I said, I'm happy. I don't inflict on anyone else. I try not to anyway. Although you can still do that just by, like, you know, telling everyone something heartfelt, and they'll still be like, no, you're an asshole. Yeah, so, yeah. I just live each day as it comes, brother. Each day as it comes. What's this? Police biker? Oh, big BMW? Or that's one of the test centre bikes? I don't know. Was that police blood or a test centre bike? Let me know. It didn't look like police, it looked like a test centre bike. Probably turning around, coming after me. So like I said, hopefully everything's on record and the audio is all good. And yeah, I'm all good. Nah, and hopefully you're all good. Like I said, I like to also spread mental health and for men or women, but more than men, because men struggle to let out their feelings because, for one, they feel like they can't, and I very much understand that because I'm a man. It's hard to speak about your feelings in front of your mates and how you're actually feeling and shit, and a man's meant to be hard, so you have this ego where you got to be hard and you can't cry and all this shit, but you can cry, you can let your feelings out, and a real man does that, you know what I'm saying? It's only these, you know, fucking fake little boys that are sitting there being egotistic and trying to be brave when really they're upset inside. Yeah, so like I said, man, and like I said, no one should be feeling down or worthless or have no one to talk to. It's 2026, we have technology, we can talk to everyone and anyone, and it's just an amazing world to an extent, but some people are really malicious in this world. But like I said, there is people still out there that want to really help and actually just be nice and kind. La, 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 this car is probably pissed off behind me. But I don't care. Used to love coming swimming here all the time with my brothers and stuff. It was amazing. So I think we'll go a bit along the old seafront, pop along the old seafront, and Circus. Hey, I'm at Circus. Yeah, and then we'll end it a bit along the seafront. Because like I said, don't want to make it too much of a talky, although I'm talky for quite a longy. I'm trying to rhymey, really ain't rhymey. We love the bad sporadic noises today. Look, we actually stopped at the zebra crossing for someone today. We noticed them. Scooter gang, yeah, scooter gang. He's screaming something out, I can't hear him. So beautiful, yeah. And I also done some like windsurfing and stuff like that at this place here, which is called Buzz something. Yeah, it was really good. You get to go out on the boats and stuff like that. That's cool. Bit of fun, not too expensive. Yeah, so like I said, little old Eastbourne, lovely place, man. Just haven't explored it too much or been around it too much. Should really start making lots of videos over here. Yeah, so like I said, when you get back to me, it'll just be planes. Lots of planes. So I love planes, you love the planes. So yeah, you beautiful people. Yeah, I'll speak to you when we get to the end of the video. And bang, tell a lie, we ain't back when there's planes. I thought, how can I not record all this beautiful beach and stuff quickly? Oh, yee, look at that, beautiful sea. It's beautiful weather today to see the planes. So hopefully this camera does better justice, really. It don't start till like 1, so we might have a lot of sitting around to do, but like I said, you won't enjoy that. Ooh, definitely going to sit in the shade because it is boiling hot. But look at this, Eastbourne's beautiful, man, absolutely beautiful. Look at that view, look at all the boats out. Well, that'd be amazing to be on a boat to be able to record this shit. Whee! So as well, I've got a power bank. So you always want to prepare if you're going out on journeys like this, even though it's not mega far, but it's still far enough. You want to prepare for things like this. Make sure you got money. Make sure you got power bank for your batteries. Make sure you got petrol money. Make sure you got all the stuff that you need. It stinks of weed. But yeah, this is beautiful Eastbourne. So like I said, we'll probably get back to you again, like I said, when it's just at the plains. This is where we're parking, you beautiful people. Now, I have no idea if I'm allowed to park here, but this is where I'm parking. Is this bike even house steering? Like, I don't know. We'll be alright. This is where we're parking, right next to this beautiful old statue that I don't really know a lot about. Ooh, it's like I said, boiling hot, man. Boiling hot. Well, there we go. It's William. It's old Sir William. It's madness. What a statue. Crazy that they make that, really. What's that? Bronze? I don't know what it's made out of. Is it just concrete? It's not, because you can see all the green that's like corrosion on it. I'm sure it's bronze, I don't know. So yeah, there you go, beautiful people. We'll go over there and have a look quickly. That should be good. The road is clear, we can run around in the road. It's a shame we can't just sneak through and park over here. But I'm sure we probably could. So that's it, we'll have a look at the beautiful beach and then that is it. Yeah, there it is. We're going to wait for the planes and record the planes, not just Stephen. And that's it. I smell burgers. We're going to get a burger. We're going to have to get a burger. Look at that. There's going to be bare people out. Absolutely stupid hot, man. That's making loads of noise there. So we love it, you beautiful people.
Yeah, I thought you were going to be actually like, no. Are you staying in a hotel? Staying in a hotel.
Turn around. Finance sound complaint. Objection, mate. That's a good move. I don't know, you don't want to put the wrong.
You give it to me.
There we go. Yeah,